This robot vacuum gives you 100 days of hands-free cleaning. No need to empty the dustbin for 100 days. No need to wash the mop pads as well for 100 days. That's great, but does it clean really well? Let's evaluate that in this video, if your home can truly switch to smart living. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that the team at Dreamy gave me access to this new model, the Dreamy D20 Ultra, to test. But like always, the review, the pros and the cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. Let's start with testing the vacuum performance. The Dreamy D20 Ultra is really good at vacuuming different types of floors: tiled, hardwood, carpet and more. It has a high suction power of 13,000 PA and is able to pick up different sizes of dust from the floor and carpet really well. For vacuuming, it has one side brush which helps to move the dust towards the central anti-tangle brush to then be collected inside the vacuum's bin. As the name suggests, this anti-tangle brush reduces long hair from getting stuck in the vacuum. But even if it does, it is very easy to remove it. This robot vacuum uses LiDAR-based navigation. It is able to create a map of the house in about 10 to 15 minutes, and with its single line laser, it is also able to avoid even small obstacles like cables and toys really well in real time. Once the vacuuming run is complete, it returns to the dock and empties all the dust collected into the 4-liter dust bag, which can last for almost 100 days without replacing. Original replacement bags and parts from Dreamy are available on Amazon or directly from Dreamy support. Now let's do the mopping test. There are a few common complaints about mopping by robot vacuums. Let's see how this Dreamy D20 Ultra addresses that. The first complaint is that it does not mop too well. This Dreamy D20 Ultra has two rotating mop pads that also apply downward pressure of 9 to 11 newtons to scrub out even tough and dry stains from the floor. The second common complaint is that the management of the mop pads is quite cumbersome. It needs to be washed regularly or it stinks. This robot vacuum has an auto mop washing and hot air drying, which gives you hands-free mopping as well for almost 100 days and no damp smell.
Start cleaning mop pads.
The third complaint with mopping is that the handling of carpets while mopping is not great. This Dreamy D20 Ultra can lift the mop pads by 10.5 mm so that the carpets don't get wet. But you can also set the carpets as a no mop zone to make sure that there is no dampness either. And lastly, many of you have mentioned about edges not being cleaned properly by robot vacuums. Dreamy handles this with its Robo Swing mopping technology. Instead of going along a straight line along the edges, it physically twists its back end to swing the mops right up against the edges. While the D20 Ultra does not have an inbuilt water tank, it periodically does go back to the dock, eliminate the dirty water from the mops into the dirty water tank, and washes the mops with clean water before continuing to mop the house. Once the entire mopping run is complete, it returns to the dock, washes the mop pads and dries it with hot air.
Start cleaning mop pads.
With all these tech advancements, the Dreamy D20 robot vacuum solves common mopping complaints that are there with robot vacuums. Since heat is used for drying, remember that this robot vacuum does need a 16 amp plug point. By using a 16 amp to 5 amp converter is not advisable by the brand due to the safety concern to either the socket or the product itself. The Dreamy D20 Ultra uses LiDAR-based navigation and is able to make a map of the house pretty fast in about 10 to 15 minutes. You can easily rename the rooms, split or merge rooms, and organize the map and schedule according to how you would like the cleaning run to be. Having used a Dreamy robot vacuum for a while now, I find the app very intuitive. It is very easy to select specific rooms for cleaning in a specific sequence and also select how much power you want the robot vacuum to use for both vacuuming and mopping. You can also clean only specific zones of your house. For example, a part of the kitchen that has gotten too dirty. You can also set how often you want the robot vacuum to return to the dock to clean the mop pads. For example, every room or every 100 square feet and so on. This Dreamy D20 Ultra robot vacuum has a 250-minute runtime. That means even large houses up to 3,000 square feet can be cleaned in one single shot without the robot vacuum requiring a recharge. It can run longer if suction power is kept to a minimum setting. With a high suction power, 100 days of hands-free cleaning, and technology to make even edges clean, this Dreamy D20 Ultra is an easy way to remove minute dust from your home without any hassles or negotiations. Additionally, if you have pets at home or you have small children with toys strewn around, then this robot vacuum is a must-have for precision cleaning and for your switch to smart living. Please check the links in the description for the latest price and availability of this robot vacuum. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.